Welcome to the Permanent TSB Autumn Ideal Home Show, Ireland's largest home event. Your visit to Ireland's best-loved home improvement show, taking place at the RDS, Simmons Court, from Friday 20th to Sunday 22nd of October, has all the advice, choice, and inspiration you need to create your ideal home. Whether it's managing energy costs, retrofit options, extensions, renovations, new furniture, interior decor, kitchen updates, or bathroom refresh, you'll see a huge range of trusted brands and suppliers, get qualified expert advice from associations and professional bodies, and attend informative talks from industry experts and celebrities. Whether you're a home buyer, improver or mover, the Permanent TSB team will be on stand N50 to help with all your financial queries. Be inspired by innovative decor ideas and room sets at the DFS Interiors Inspiration Centre and the Deluxe Heritage Interior Design Hub. Deluxe Heritage Colour Consultants will be on hand to provide expert advice. Put your decor dilemmas to the experts at the DFS Interiors Theatre, where Joe Linehan will host engaging sessions with Ireland's leading interior creatives. Ensure you arrive early to book a free consultation at the PhoneWatch Ask an Expert Hub with leading industry professionals including architects, garden designers and interior designers. If you're worried about your energy bills, visit the Electric Ireland Superhomes Home Energy Upgrade Pavilion, where you'll find expert advice on retrofitting, insulation, solar panels, heat pumps, and applying for energy grants from the SEAI, the Sustainable Energy Authority of Ireland. Backed by popular demand is the Dunnes Stores Simply Better Chefs live theatre, where celebrity chef Nevin Maguire will demonstrate how easy it is to cook those special meals using ingredients from the Dunnes Stores Simply Better collection and the Cook with Nevin Maguire cookware range. At the Mitsubishi Electric EcoDan Home Advice Theatre, industry experts will share their knowledge on a range of home improvement options like heat pumps with a focus on energy saving. If you're undertaking any type of home building project, suppliers, architects and contractors are in hand to ensure you come away with confidence, inspiration and motivation, and the Home Interiors Fair is the perfect place to browse for home furnishings and accessories to discover your own signature style. Considering a home office? The smart solutions in the Working From Home zone will show you how to design a comfortable and productive space that suits your lifestyle. Make sure you visit the Permanent TSB Ideal Home Show from Friday 20th to Sunday 22nd of October at the RDS, Simmons Court for fantastic choice, qualified expert advice, and inspirational ideas to help you create your ideal home. Only 5 minutes walk from the Sandymount Dart Station. Book online now for special discounted show tickets. www.idealhome.ie